Hey everybody, it's Ace here with Ace's Takes. Welcome to my channel where we are talking about the things that we're loving in our home right now and giving you my take on those things. Something to consider as you're sitting back to enjoy this video. We're trying to grow our channel, so feel free to subscribe, like, share, do all of the things. And if you feel like rocking some Ace's Takes merch, hit me up in the comments. Grab yourself something to drink and let's talk about the exciting thing that we have today. I do have to give some backstory as always, but I'm a gamer. And I'm not your traditional gamer now, but I am a gamer from like the classic Nintendo days. I had the original Nintendo NES system and I could beat Super Mario Bros. In one life. I have been a fan forever. And then when the smaller consoles came out, I used to, you blow in the thing. I had my Nintendo for a very long time. Mario and Zelda were my faves. And then when the smaller console came out that had the 30 games sorted, I bought one of those. I have it. Whenever it's break time for the semester, I will pull out the game. I'll go through Zelda, beat all the levels. I'll go through Mario, beat the game. It's just very fun. And so when the Nintendo Switch came out originally, my husband gifted me with one, which was amazing. And this was probably 4 years ago now. We had just moved into the home. And I was all excited for a relaxing night where I was going to take a bath, rock my Nintendo Switch, and have a glass of wine with my tub. I had a stand where you could put your glass and, you have your book, but instead I had my Nintendo Switch. So set my glass down, put my Switch on it, went to go get something to come back, and the tray fell into the tub and my Switch fell into the tub and it was dead. And so because of that, we put it in rice, tried to save it, couldn't save it, it was dead. And so because of that, every time we see one, it's like, nope, sorry, can't have it. Well, the Nintendo Switch 2 came out. And we went to Japan, as you know, and they had the Nintendo Switch 2 there, but they only had the Japanese version and they would not sell us the Japanese version. So when we came back, now the Japanese version, I think it was maybe $350. We came back to America and we realized how scarce it was. They arrived into Costco and in one day were sold out. So we kind of looked around and it was a joke because it was like, we can't get another Switch because I can't have nice things, right? Well, it just so happened one day I checked and Costco had some available. And so we purchased it and it's here and I'm stoked. So I am using my the Oz Roosevelt knife to open. And that is my story of excitement. We purchased this from Costco, so we didn't purchase it from Best Buy or the other ones, and it's a bundle. And so with this bundle for Costco, you get the Nintendo Switch 2, the controllers that come with it, as well as you get 12 months of the online subscription and Mario Kart World. So inside the box is the individual membership and the 12-month. It's 12 months of, I don't know what it's going to be, but don't throw it away. It's got the code. So it's the online Nintendo Switch plus an expansion pack. So that's really exciting. You've got the classics, which I am pumped for. Mario 3, got Zelda. Now I already have those games at home, but I get to play it on the Switch now, which is very cool. So here she is. Nintendo Switch 2. See it here. It looks like you can do dual player. So this one says full game download, and you can see that it has Mario Kart World right here. All right, I'm gonna open it. Maybe. I've never gotten into any of the other. We do have a Xbox, and so I've played some Xbox, but I have been a tried and true Nintendo girl. All right, inside the box, we have one controller and the other controller, red and blue, right and left. And then the Switch itself, Nintendo Switch 2. I purchased the backbone from Apple to try and have something where you take your phone and you plug it in, and I could not get that thing to work to save my life. So we wound up returning it. I was bummed that didn't work. Okay, inside we have our instructions and our cords. You have the tethers for the straps for the right and the left hand side. And then, what else do we have in here? This is the controller where you can plug in red in this side and blue in this side so you can have a handheld. I'll show you that. Just, wow, like magnetic, just snapped right in. Take it. That's very cool. All right. Okay, so if you press on the back, you can pop them out. The magnetic, there's a little, if you can see when you press, it pushes it out. So you magnetize onto the side. It's hard to do it backwards. And then you press the buttons in the back to get them to come out. So that's pretty neat. Very friendly. There is also the power cord. So the other cord is an HDMI cord. And then you have the main unit that you charge it in. Very light. There it is. Nintendo Switch 2. So on this side is where you have your USB cords. I'm really excited. I want to know what games should I be trying out. I'm going to go probably with Dr. Mario and Super Mario World. I'm going to go old school. I'm going to go like back in the 80s and rock all of those games. I have no desire to play any new games, but anyway, I will not be taking this into the bathtub with me. We will have rules, and I cannot wait. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.